The Amish Home full-length stand-up mirror. With a clean, minimalist look, our full-length standing mirror can easily blend with the design of any space. Its clean, black finish and long flowing lines look beautiful in any bedroom, bathroom, or living room. The mirror's frame is made from high-quality metal that won't easily dent or bend. The mirror itself provides an exact reflection, free from distortions, making it perfect for applying makeup. This full body-length mirror will work for everyone. At 63 inches high, 20 inches wide, and 15 inches deep, its two adjustable knobs allow you to tilt the mirror to the perfect angle. The rollers on the legs allow you to move it around with ease. The mirror comes easy to assemble and includes high-quality screws, knobs, and rollers, and includes assembly instructions. As with all of our products, your satisfaction is guaranteed. We put a premium on quality and customer satisfaction. We sell products that are worth every penny, and if you have any concerns, send us an email and we'll offer a replacement or a refund. So what are you waiting for? For functionality, quality, and price, our full-length stand-up mirror is an absolute steal.